Hey everybody, Gabe with Hansshow again. Just doing a quick video to show you a new product that we have. It is the Model S and X carbon fiber interior trim caps. Let's unbox it and take a look. So if you saw some of our previous videos, I showed how the installation goes on the caps for the Model S on the doors. So this is going to be the same concept. If you haven't seen that video, we'll put a link in that video below. Pretty nice packaging here. This is going to be your carbon fiber dash cover. These are going to be the door card trim covers. And these are going to be front and rear. And then on the C-pillar near the back seat, you also have some trim, and these are the covers for that as well. Super, super easy to install. Double-sided tape. We'll provide that for you. And it makes your Model S look 10 times better in my opinion. So check out hautopart.com to get one of these in your shopping cart. There is a coupon code below in the description, HSG23, 15% off. And check out the next video because we're going to actually have an installation video for these next.